Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of your app. Following that, choose Open in Split Screen View and select the other app, in this case Settings. As you can see now, I can operate in both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!